Hey everybody, this is Andrew from Owasco. I'm going to demonstrate Park Pilot in the 2018 Alltrack. Alright, so basically we're in a parking lot here and there's lots of different spots to pick from. So I'm going to put the vehicle in drive and just kind of coast along through the lot here and select Park Pilot. Okay, and it will, once it kind of recognizes a spot that I like, and I can just keep going along, and so it's telling me that it's got a spot for me here. That's parallel spot. Okay, I'm going to pull ahead, and it's got a spot for me here to back in, so I'm going to put it in reverse. Okay, and then now the auto steering is activated. It's telling me to check my surrounding area, so I'm giving the area a check here. And the steering is doing its job here. I just have to control the brake and the throttle. And I'm parked.